Well, Joe, everybody that walks in this place immediately is drawn right to this fireplace. And I mean, I just assume it was from 1926 or whatever when the house was built. What do you think?
No, the mantle is much older. It's probably a late Victorian piece, I would say from around the 1880s.
Wow.
And you know, you've got this whole series of different types of marble. You've got a red marble here, a black marble facing on this part here, and look at this inlay in here.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, that's very, very unique looking, and it's definitely probably about 40 or 50 years older than the house itself.
Golly, well, that's a surprise. I just assumed, but and you know, when you said red, I guess I didn't realize how much red is in that. It's going to be really something when we clean this thing. Of course, we're going to do our homework on exactly how to clean it the best way, but there's no telling what kind of color will come out of this thing.
No, I think it will really pop once we get it cleaned, and I love this little bird panel. I mean, that's one of the things that really makes, you know, it stand out. It's very unique, and I don't think I've seen one like that in this area.